today is system test number 4, and so I'm testing all of the devices on the system. I apologise for the tripod, it's not completely straight. There's a slight problem with it, but it'll do. So I've added on one new device on the system. It's a 32775 in the back. I can't bring the tripod into it because I don't have there's no space. But be able to use it for the rest of the devices. Anyway, so the first device I will test will be the 32800 beside the panel. There it is. The old device. Here it is. Right, here's the 32775, which replaced the 34770. Here's the 32800 with the square cover on it. Here it is. Here's the back protector. I'm going to have to stand quite far back from it because I need to run over to the panel and silence it. Should have got it. It's loud. The windows open in the carriage as well. Right then, so I'll let the device clear their filters. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and that's it.